Carrying holidaymakers is now the main role of the locomotive. People where stones once sat, a harbour that once managed one of Wales's main exports to the rest of the world, now home to pleasure boats. But to discover more about the industries of the past, you won't have to travel far. With museums full of interesting artefacts of days gone by, many come here to learn more about what played such an important role in Wales's development. Today, the industry that once employed thousands attracts a customer of a different nature. So why not venture underground and experience the UK's steepest railway? The tracks once again bringing the present and the past together as one. An opportunity to discover underground lakes that were dug inch by inch. An opportunity to reflect and remember.